English, your aspiration. Our inspiration. Talents need a place to go. We warmly welcome you to Bright Life Classes, an institution with a very fresh and renewed approach from a bunch of extremely motivated professionals with years of English training experience. Everyone wants to learn English. English is not just a language but a lifestyle changer. It is your ticket to a great career. Great command over this language makes you super confident. It molds you into a powerful and positive personality. It does not only help you become successful but also helps you get smarter. We are result oriented, and that is the identity of our attitude. Our proud students hold proof of our dedication with prouder professional positions they are in. We value your value for money. Bright Life Classes offers you spoken English course at very affordable and reasonable fees in comparison with other institutions. We deliver the best and much more content for our courses, unlike other institutes that are hard in your pockets and don't meet your expectations too. Bright Life Classes is your solution and can be the best example for great returns and low investment. We don't just train English, we are Bright Life Classes, we impart life to it. Join our online, offline batch. Register now at www.brightlifeclasses.com. English, your aspiration.